Yo guys, what's up? It's me, Ivan and friends. For today's video, we will discuss the importance of the 1987 Constitution and its history. They also include the institution and social groups, state society relation and democracy. The important provision of the 1987 Constitution and its history. The 1987 Constitution of the Philippines is the supreme law of the country. Its fundamental principle and establishing the framework for government. Some highlighted provisions include, these are the example. Preamble set the tone, express the collective aspiration of the Filipino people for a just humane society. Article 2 Bill of Rights guarantees fundamental rights and freedom including freedom of speech, religion, and right to due process. Article 2 Declaration of Principle and State Policies outline the guiding principle for governance, emphasizing social justice, democracy, and the protection of human rights. Article 6. The Legislative Department details the composition and power of the Philippine Congress. Article 7. The Executive Department established the presidency and defines the power and responsibilities of the president. Article 8. The Judicial Department outlined the structure of the judiciary and grants the power of judicial review.
The Articles of 1987 Philippine Constitution. Article number 9, Constitutional Commission establishes independent bodies such as the Commission of Election, COMELEC, and the Civil Service Commission to ensure checks and balances. The state shall promote a just and dynamic social order that will ensure the prosperity and independence of the nation and free the people from poverty, yung sa kahirapan, through policies that provide adequate social services, promote full employment, a rising standard of living, and improve quality of life for all. Kumbaga, dapat itaguyod ng Estado ang isang makatarungan at dinamikong kaayusang panlipunan na magtitiyak sa kaunlaran at kalayaan ng ating bansa at magpapalaya sa mga tao mula sa kahirapan sa pamamagitan ng mga patakang nagbibigay ng sapat na serbisyo sa lipunan. Nagtataguyod ng ganap ng trabaho, tumataas na antas ng pamumuhay at isang pinabuting kalidad ng buhay para sa lahat. Kumbagay, kailangan ng magandang trabaho at maayos sa sweldo para sa isang tao na namumuhay ay sapat yung kanilang kinikita. Diba? Article number 10. Local government provides for the structure and powers of local government units, promoting decentralization. The state shall promote social justice in all phases of national development. Dapat itaguyod ng Estado ang katarungang panlipunan sa lahat ng yugtong ng pambansang pag-unlad. Article number 12. National economy and patrimony contains provision and regulation of natural resources and public utilities. Article 14. Hub education, science and technology, arts, culture, and sports. Emphasize the importance of education and cultural development. The history of the 1987 Constitution was promulgated as a response to the People Power Revolution of 1986, which led to the ousting of President Ferdinand Marcos. The Constitutional Commission, headed by Chief Justice Cecilia Munoz Palma, was tasked with drafting the new constitution. The drafting process involved public consultation and aimed to rectify perceived flaws in the, particularly those that had facilitated authoritarian rule. And the Constitution was ratified in a nationwide plebiscite on February 2, 1987. It marked the restoration of democracy in the Philippines and laid the foundation for a government based on democratic principles, respect for human rights, and the rule of law.
Institution and social group. The Constitution established its institutions such as the executive, legislative, and judicial branches ensure a separation of powers. It recognized the role of social group by promoting social justice and address historical injustice, particularly thought reform programs, state-society relation, and democracy. The Constitution emphasized of the people and their right participate in decision-making process and as seen in provisions related to the electoral system and the establishment of an independent commission on election COMELEC. Economic relation. Article 12 of the Constitution outline policies on the national economy and distribution and resources. It makes economy with a role for both the private and public sectors aiming for development. Regarding relation, the Constitution provides principles the independent policy promoting peace, cooperation, and international law.